No need for boxed pancakes, like pancake mix. There's just no need anymore in your life for any of that. You're gonna make these pancakes. You're gonna see how easy it is, how simple. It's just the perfect pancake recipe, and it's so easy and so fun. It's a beautiful Saturday morning for us here. It's actually raining, but it feels beautiful. And we're making pancakes. These are just like the quintessential pancake that you would get at like a 50s diner. I've always like bought mix, like pancake mix, because I just thought that it was better or like easier, but it's not. Pancakes are the easiest thing to make, and making them from scratch is so fabulous. This recipe is way better than any boxed pancake that I've ever come across. They're fluffy and like comforting. They like remind me of my childhood for some reason, even though I didn't eat pancakes in my childhood. Okay, so Luna's down for her morning nap, so I'm gonna quickly whip up these pancakes. She's never had pancakes before. I can't wait to see her trying them because I think she's just gonna love them. Here we go, here we go, here we go, go, go. I'm gonna put in the flour, the sugar, and a teaspoon of salt, and 3.5 teaspoons of baking powder. That is the trick to having these beautiful fluffy pancakes. And now in this other bowl, we've got milk, 1 egg, melted butter. So now I'm gonna whisk that together, and then I'm gonna put it all into the dry bowl and just keep stirring that until it's good. And it's looking like I might need a little bit more milk. And yeah, now we're good to go. I've heated up my pan, and I'm just gonna start ladling it into the pan. You can do this 1 by 1 if you want them to be perfectly circular. I'm gonna do them 2 by 2 just because I don't wanna take too much time. So I'm just gonna turn the oven on at about like the lowest it'll go. So mine goes about 170. I'm just gonna put them in there on a baking sheet just so they can stay nice and warm until we eat them. So you know to flip your pancake when these bubbles start to appear on the top. Do you see those? Yeah, that's when you can flip it. I like to have my heat at around medium high, but always just keep an eye on things. If you feel like they're cooking too quickly and getting too dark, just turn it down a little bit. And yeah, the flip should be super easy once they've cooked on one side. Okay, and now we have this like beautiful fat stack of pancakes. I'm gonna dress it with some berries, a little tiny bit of homemade yogurt, and some maple syrup. Super simple. Of course, you can jazz these up in any way you want. Blueberries, you can cook them with bananas, chocolate chips, strawberries, whatever it is you like, you can do. I like to keep it simple. And there you have it, some beautiful pancakes. Okay, see? Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button.